Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade garlic bread. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 loaf of crusty bread, like a baguette or Italian loaf, about 4 cloves of fresh garlic, and 1 stick of unsalted butter. We'll also use some fresh parsley and a pinch of salt. Make sure your butter is softened to room temperature. This will make the mixing process much smoother and ensure a creamy, spreadable garlic butter. Get ready for some delicious aromas. Now let's create that irresistible garlic butter. Take your softened butter and place it in a small bowl. Finely mince about 4 cloves of fresh garlic. The finer, the better for even flavor distribution. Add the minced garlic to the butter, along with 1 tablespoon of fresh, chopped parsley and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together thoroughly until it's well combined and fragrant. This is the heart of our garlic bread. With our garlic butter ready, it's time to assemble the bread. Take your loaf and slice it lengthwise, almost all the way through, or cut it into 1-inch thick slices. Now generously spread the garlic butter mixture onto both cut sides of the bread. Don't be shy, more butter means more flavor. Once coated, wrap the entire loaf loosely in aluminum foil. This helps keep the bread moist while it bakes, ensuring a tender interior and crispy crust. Finally, let's bake our delicious garlic bread. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the foil-wrapped bread directly on the oven rack and bake for 15 minutes. After that, carefully unwrap the foil and return the bread to the oven for another 5 to 7 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and slightly crispy. Remove from the oven, slice, and serve immediately. Enjoy your perfectly homemade, warm, and fragrant garlic bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.